Reversing the attitude of not wanting to suffer is the whole basis for transforming suffering into our spiritual path. This is because we simply won't be able to turn suffering into the path as long as anxiety and irritation continue to eat away at our confidence and disturb our mind. The more we arrive at actually transforming suffering into the path, the more we will enhance and reinforce all our previous practice. This is because our courage and good humor will grow all the more once we can see from our own experience how suffering causes our spiritual practice and qualities to blossom. It is said that by training gradually with smaller sufferings, step by step, in easy stages, then in the end we'll be able to handle big suffering and difficulties too. We must go about it like this because it is extremely difficult to have an experience of something which is beyond our level or capacity. In the breaks between sessions, pray to the Lama and the 3 jewels that you may be able to take suffering onto your path.